Okay, dear students, so I just created a user account as a student so that you could see what it would look like from your perspective, and then hopefully this will help you to figure out how to log in. So I created my user account and as a student, and I chose that I was in ninth grade, and when it told me I had to click a class, I clicked Algebra 1 and then just continue. I didn't go through and pick all of the different options. But now, in order to get to my assignments, what I'm going to have to do is come down here to, I can do it a couple different ways. I either can come down here to teachers, which is how I did it the first time. And right here, I can enter that code that came in the email. So right here, I have it in front of me on my phone. The title of that email was for those who have not signed up yet, and I give you a direct link. And then what I'm going to do right here is put in our code. So the code for the algebra would be V8YGQ EYU. Join the class. You also could enter my name down there under teacher's email, but the main goal is for you to add the class. Then what you should be able to do under courses, well, come on. Oh, you know why? Now what you have to do is you have to wait for me to go to my teacher account and update it, which is why I asked all of you to get signed up by noon on Monday. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this, probably upload it, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I approve you as a student. Okay?